Even that's extremely bad touch. Thank you. Woo! Here. What the hell is he doing? Nice. Great demo from Demo. He was like,
What's up,
I'll
guys?
just get this guy and go. Nice. Hell, what is wrong?
That's it.
Sure. Nice. I decided to act.
That's it.
I'll go.
Behind you.
Amount of boo-boos were a lot.
Oh. Worst timing for my boost. Run out!
Thank you, Demo. Yeah. Okay. Quick question: how did you manage to become champion without a lot of mechanics? Oh, thanks, Rio.
Experience.
Yeah, guys, like seriously, like sorry. Beast time. A lot of the game is about logic and where logically you should be. Like right now, I just demonstrated you shouldn't be there. So my idea and actually like in middle of that I just go to my cage and shut up, but sorry Dimo. Yeah, like seriously, just like
No.
I won't touch it because if I do, then it goes towards Argo. Nice. One more. Oh no, not this side.
That's what.
Yeah, but
Let's go.
yeah. Oh. Nice shot. And perfect positioning though. He will take some time to understand where is he. Wait. Oh no, that was too strong. No. Even that's extremely bad touch. Thank you. Woo! Guys,
Wait.
give it up for
Let me.
the Eater. Also Demo.
And it's my turn again. game is putting it really to work. Like, ow.
I'm just like, you know, trying to making it
Let's go.
as safe as possible. I don't want to boo it in the last second.